yung sa ligang batas natin, there's a provision there na giving the Supreme Court extraordinary certiorari power. Nakalagay doon, the Supreme Court can correct any grave abuse of discretion by any branch or agency of the government. Branch, uh, Congress isang branch yan, executive isang branch yan. So, pwede because under the new constitution may extraordinary certiorari power ang Congress to correct any grave abuse of discretion by any branch or agency of the government.
Opo. So, ibig sabihin, once na naglabas ng desisyon ng Supreme Court, walang choice ang Congress. Hindi nila pwedeng i-ignore yon because of
Well,
the
dapat
certiorari
sundin
power.
nila dahil that's the command of the Constitution. Sabi ng Constitution, the state shall prohibit political dynasties. So talagang prohibited ang political dynasties. No? The state shall prohibit political dynasties as may provided by law. Yung Congress, 38 years na, hindi pa pinapasa yung batas. So, tingin namin that is already a grave abuse of discretion for ignoring this command of the Constitution that the state shall prohibit political dynasties.
Pero gaya nga po ng nasabi ninyo, halos 4 na dekada, 38 years na hindi kumilos o walang nangyari doon sa batas na magde-define dito sa political dynasty. Sa sitwasyon pong ganito, meron po ba tayong pwedeng i-held liable sa nangyaring? Bakit tumagal ng 4 na dekada?
Well, we cannot hold personally liable Congress dahil institution yan. But the solution, the remedy is to ask the Supreme Court to order Congress. So yan ang ginagawa namin ngayon. Nagsampa kami ng kaso sa Supreme Court.